Hello, my name is Eric White. We're going to talk about how to find cheap ink for your computer. A natural first step would be, believe it or not, check the Sunday paper. There's all kinds of sales go on. You can also check the websites of various electronics and office supply stores. A lot of them have flyers. The sales are going to be where you really save the most money on ink. Ink doesn't seem to move very fast through the retail system. People generally wait till the last minute to buy it, and because of this, the stores get a surplus. And when they have a surplus, they let it go for cheap. Alternatively, you can go to websites like buy.com or woot.com. You can check Woot every day. Every once in a while they'll have some kind of crazy printer thing on there. You never know what they're going to have on there. But buy.com, you can search by printer cartridges and find good deals. So check your newspapers, check the store flyers, look on the internet. There's lots of coupons that you can get to print. You can try going to the store websites, and a lot of them will have coupons you can print right there on the site. That's everything you know to find cheap ink for your computer.